Go ahead, please. Share
I
your views.
represent HP in India, and having heard so much from all the distinguished speakers and panelists here, one of the thoughts that came to my mind while
Can
I
you
was
keep it
listening.
closer, please? Little bit, yeah.
Yeah, the one key thought that came to my mind was the opportunity, the true inflection point that I see in India is really the SMB business, the small and medium businesses that really want to adopt IT but probably are not educated or aware in terms of understanding how can IT help their businesses. To my mind, with all due respect, I think a lot of us vendors as well as our system integrators have a clear plan, a strategy to, go behind the large corporates who themselves have a very large IT infrastructure and environment, who have IT organizations making the right decisions for them. But when we go down to the SMBs, probably the education level, the understanding of how IT can help their businesses, and getting that entire ecosystem of, hardware, software, services, also making it very affordable is, I think, what's really missing. Uh, One of the few things that we're doing is looking at, options like financial services. You talked of services. One of the key ingredients I think that's missing is really giving them the right financial options as well. So, I think it's important that all of us who have the collective responsibility of really looking at how can really India gain and, how can we help penetrate IT in the, mass market. We look at SMB as a very strong market segment and look at solutions, look at building the right ecosystem for that, building the right package for, making the customer realize how worth it is for him to look at it.